Today we're diving into AdCombo, a premier CPA affiliate network revolutionizing digital marketing. AdCombo connects advertisers with publishers, offering a myriad of affiliate marketing opportunities across various niches. We'll dissect AdCombo through 5 lenses: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives. Let's take a quick look at AdCombo's main features. High converting offers. AdCombo boasts a diverse range of high converting offers spanning multiple verticals. Innovative tracking. Its cutting-edge tracking system ensures accurate attribution and real-time insights. Global reach. With offers available in 40+ countries, AdCombo caters to a worldwide audience. Weekly payments. Publishers enjoy swift weekly payments, enhancing cash flow and scalability. Responsive support. AdCombo's dedicated support team provides timely assistance, ensuring smooth operations. Exclusive bonuses. Publishers can access exclusive bonuses and incentives, maximizing earning potential. AdCombo's pricing structure offers competitive payouts with commissions ranging from $1 to $150 per lead or sale. Additionally, its flexible payment options include wire transfer, PayPal, WebMoney, and more. Navigating AdCombo's intuitive platform is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly interface and comprehensive reporting dashboard. Publishers benefit from seamless campaign setup and optimization, streamlining their workflow. AdCombo boasts a vast selection of high-converting offers, promptly weekly payments, and responsive customer support. Its user-friendly platform simplifies affiliate marketing endeavors. However, some publishers report occasional discrepancies in tracking and commission attribution. Additionally, certain offers may have stringent traffic requirements. While AdCombo shines on the CPA affiliate network area, alternatives like Max Bounty and PureFly offer similar opportunities for publishers seeking diverse offers and competitive payouts. In conclusion, AdCombo emerges as a powerhouse in the CPA affiliate network landscape, offering a plethora of features, competitive payouts, and seamless user experience. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your affiliate marketing journey and sign up today through the link in the description. Also, feel free to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful tips, tutorials, and how-tos. Thank you for watching.